Hi. In this video, I'll show you how to create an estimate from scratch and send it to your customer. First, go to the project where you want to create the estimate. Navigate to the Design and Estimate module, and here you will find the Estimate section. You can view all the estimates you've already created and sent to your customers on this screen. To create a new estimate, click on the Create button. You'll see two options. You can either start from scratch or create one using an uploaded template. In this video, I'll show you how to create an estimate from scratch. Start by entering the estimate title. Then select the created date and the validity date. The general details will already be pre-filled. Now scroll down to begin building your estimate. You also have a Write with AI option. You can click on it and describe the type of estimate you want to create, and the AI will generate the line items for you. Once the AI generates the estimate, you can either insert it or regenerate it based on your needs. Let's insert it. Now the estimate has been created using AI. You can edit the item name, description, quantity, and set the rate for each item. If you want to add more items manually, click on Add Manually. A new line item will be added where you can enter the item name, quantity, description, and price. You can also add items directly from your BOQ library. Click on Add from Library. Select the items and add them to your estimate. The pricing and details will be added automatically. For BOQ items, you can expand the drop-down to view the material specifications and details. If you update the rate, the total will automatically update. If you want to add more materials under a specific item, click on the three-dot menu and select Add Material. You can also remove items if needed. Similarly, you can add products or services directly from your inventory. If you want to remove an entire section, click on the Remove icon. You also have an option to display item images. Just enable the toggle and upload images for each item. If not needed, you can disable it. Next, we have Manage Columns. If you want to add custom columns like length, width, or any other field, you can create them here. You can define the column type, text, number, date, or link. Based on your selection, the column will be added to the estimate. You can also configure calculations. For example, if you want quantity to be calculated based on length times height, you can set that in the calculation settings. You can drag and arrange columns as needed. Once configured, the system will automatically calculate values based on your inputs. So, you can create columns however you want and configure calculations based on your needs. If you want to remove a column, you can go to that particular column and either disable it or simply delete it. Once done, you can close it. Now, if you scroll down and want to add more sections, just click on Add Section. Enter the section name and item names, and then create line items either manually or by adding them from the library or products. You can also add additional charges like labor or transportation. These can be entered as either a fixed amount or a percentage. If needed, you can apply discounts by selecting from predefined options. Similarly, you can add taxes. You also have the option to round off the final amount. Next, you can add terms and conditions. You can either enter them manually or import them from the template center. If you want to include a digital signature, you can enable that option. There is also a profit section where you can set your margin. This will only be visible internally and not to the customer. Once everything is ready, click on Preview to see how the estimate will look to your customer. The customer will be able to view all the line items, material details, terms and conditions, and your digital signature if added. Once finalized, click on Action. You can either save it as a draft for internal approval or send it directly via email, WhatsApp, or other options. When you send it, the customer can preview the estimate, add comments, or request changes. If you make any edits and resend the estimate, it will be tracked as a new revision. You can see all revisions and identify which one was accepted. You can also track draft approvals and see whether they've been approved internally. In the Analytics section, you can track customer activity, such as how many times they viewed the estimate and how much time they spent on it. So, this is how you can create an estimate from scratch. With the help of AI, you can save a lot of time and quickly generate estimates and send them to your customers for approval. Thank you.